Peace and blessings, family, members of the lounge, traders all over the world. This is Master B doing a market recap of Friday the 20th, 2023. And I just wanted to point out some stuff that I've gone over in videos past. And one of them in particular is that price action always likes to go where it's been, right? So earlier this week, Thursday, I believe it was, we had a downtrend and it took out several quarter points and ended up finding a demand area mid-range of 3,900, put in a double bottom, and she started to make her pilgrimage back up to where she begun. This move started up here at the 40.25. And because of Friday closing out, she almost made it all the way back, filling this gap. Okay. Just to pull out some of our tools that we have in our toolbox. Okay. First, this is the time span that I look to trade, 10 o'clock to 12 noon. Same thing every single day. Okay. Price action created this double bottom off of mid-range of the quarter, half of the quarter point. It broke above 39.25. At 39.25, I start paying attention. She did an impulse, pulled back, continuation, correction, continuation, all the way up to the next quarter point. Okay. So on any pullback, we always go to the left and down to see where is the origin of the pullback. We bring the Fibonacci in, find our golden ratio zone, just like clockwork. And now we have our confluence. We have the confluence of the Fibonacci golden ratio zone overlapping a quarter point. Price action failed to take out the Fibonacci. Okay. We are looking for TP1, which is negative 27.2. Okay. So I want you guys to look at all the confluence that we got going on here from the tools from our toolbox. Okay. First, we're at a quarter point, 39.25, right? Then we have our code in sequence, 1030 and the 50 moving average, and she closes above the 200 moving average. This is on a 5-minute chart, okay? As soon as we got 2 candlestick pullback into our code, we slap the Fibonacci on, take it from the low to the beginning of that pullback, and we see the strength of the pullback was weak, did not come back to the Fibonacci. You're entering on the next green bar north, and your stop loss is going underneath the present wick or the previous wick, whichever one you feel comfortable with in terms of your risk management, but you didn't get any heat back to your stop loss. She went straight to target, 11:05, 11:10-ish. Your day is over. Have a nice weekend. Okay? Wash, rinse, and repeat. You do the same thing every day until this becomes simple and boring. Okay? Yeah, that's the market recap for Friday. Hope you guys have a great weekend. This is Master B with Trading Lounge, out.